In this video, we will show you how to set up and use the new Bliss magnetic charging kit. The magnetic charging kit attachment allows for a quick and easy connection between the Bliss charger and the charging port on the motorhead or battery. First, attach the magnetic charging tip to the charge port on the Bliss motorhead or external battery, depending on your motor type. Next, connect the magnetic charging extension to your Bliss charger cable. Once you have attached the magnetic charging extension and charger cable, you can plug your Bliss charger into a standard outlet. You will see a blue LED on the magnetic charging extension light up. This shows the extension has power. To charge your Bliss device, simply bring the extension up to the magnetic charging tip, and the magnetic draw will connect the two pieces. When the charge is complete, the light on the motor will go from flashing green to solid green. To detach the magnetic charger, gently pull the extension away from the tip. You can leave the tip on the motorhead or battery and the extension on the Bliss charger for future use.